In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use checkboxes in Google Sheets. Checkboxes are perfect for to-do lists, attendance trackers, and quick project status updates because they let you mark things as done with a single click. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along on your desktop browser. Start by opening your Google Sheet in a desktop browser. Make sure you're on the correct tab and looking at the area where you want your checkboxes to live. Checkboxes work best in regular, unmerged cells, so if something looks off later, that may be why. Next, click the cell where you want your first checkbox. If you want several checkboxes at once, drag to select a range, or click a column or row header to select a larger area. Selecting the range first is the fastest way to fill multiple cells in one go. Now, head to the top menu and click Insert. From the drop-down, choose Checkbox. As soon as you select it, Google Sheets will place interactive tick boxes in every cell you selected. If you only picked one cell, you'll get just one checkbox. If you selected a whole list, they'll all appear at once. You can now click any checkbox to check or uncheck it as needed. Each click toggles the state, so you don't need any extra tools. Just click to mark a task done and click again to undo it. Behind the scenes, a checked box is treated as true and an unchecked box as false, which means you can use them in formulas, summaries, or filters if you want to build more advanced tracking later. If a checkbox looks cramped, that's just formatting. It won't affect how it works. You can always resize columns or adjust alignment afterward for a cleaner look. If you accidentally placed checkboxes in the wrong spot, use Undo to revert immediately. Or clear the cells and try again by selecting the correct range and repeating the insert, then checkbox steps. Once you've added a few, feel free to copy and paste them to other cells. Pasting preserves the checkbox behavior, which can be handy when expanding a list, and if you're collaborating, everyone with edit access can click the boxes, making it easy to keep status visible for the whole team. That's it. Open your sheet, select the cells, go to Insert, choose Checkbox, and click to toggle. Simple, quick, and surprisingly powerful for tracking anything you need. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly interactive Google Sheet.